welcome to this Fuel-Proof tutorial. Today we'll be going over how to manage both your personal and your company account. In order to manage your personal account, simply click on the My Account section of the page that you'll either be directed to when you first subscribe to Fuel-Proof or when you click on the Account section up here in the menu. Click on the Manage button, and from here you'll be able to update everything about your personal login details, including your first and last name, your phone number, email, license, and password. Always keep in mind that if you update your password, you'll be logged out of the system and then you'll have to log back in utilizing your new password. In order to update a field, simply click in the field, change the properties, click on Update, and then your information will be updated. In order to manage your company account, come back to the account page and click on the Manage Company Account button. From here, you'll be able to update everything from your account's representative, phone number, address, email address, and even your logo. So if you click on the logo button, if you click in here, it'll allow you to upload a new image file, or if you just simply drag an image file into here, and it'll update that in the header of the application for you. If you type in a color, such as blue, red, green, any web-enabled color will work for your corporate color, or a hex value. Click on Update, and it'll automatically update that color in the header of the application for you. You'll be able to see all of your subscription detail information here as well, including when your next payment date is and the plan's current status. You'll be able to update your credit card details simply by clicking on Add a New Card, typing your card's information in here, and clicking on Submit. You're able to manage your master plan. Your master plan controls the number of facilities and users that your plan has. If you are downgrading your plan, always bear in mind that if you have more users or facilities than the current plan that you're trying to select allows, you may be required to remove a facility or users in order to downgrade your plan. You'll also be able to manage all of your company's plan's additional add-ons, such as extra users and facilities, from this page. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.